Sure, I can share with you the data set here as well. Students, make sure first all of you import the data because queries you need to run from your side as well. Otherwise, you will get confused and of course the things will not get clear. So better to practice side by side. Import the data set. I didn't receive the data set. I'm sharing with you again here in the chat. I hope you all received now. I just share. Import the data set first. Okay, many of you are done. Students, do it fast, just 2 more minutes. Those who are still left, giving you 2 more minutes, do it fast. Do it fast. Ma'am, it only allow me to load 55 rows only, says the data in preview trans due to size limit. Okay, Zeal, from where you downloaded the data? From WhatsApp or Zoom chat? Try to reload. Try to download it again and do it. Do it and let me know fast. Done. Okay, fine. Perfect. So we'll start with the basic one, like sum, minimum, maximum, because whenever you are imported, whenever you are starting to practice all that, first you need to create, because there is a concept in Power BI decks which is known as reusability. What it is known as reusability. Reusability means the calculated columns which you are creating, you can reuse those columns as well. So first let's calculate. I'm telling you, you can do it as well. So then the first measure will do the calculate the total sales, like sum is the function, then sales data, sales amount, just close the bracket and commit this. Similarly, we can, what kind of limit issue is there? Then similarly, we can calculate the total quantity. Again, sum of sales data quantity. Close the parenthesis. So here's your function, your table name, your column name. And then we can create the average unit price as well. So for average unit price, we need to use the average function. Average, then the column name. So we are doing for the unit price. So just select here unit price and commit this. I will share with you the formulas, okay? No worries. So these three formulas we have, let me add these three columns into the card. Average unit price, total quantity, total sales. Okay? And you can see. First, let me share these formulas with you and do it. See, students, you have to do it with me because we have 4 hours of session and we have the single topic of advanced X. So you all have to do this along with me. We have time to practice. We don't have rush to complete the topic. I just shared the queries with you. Run in your system as well. Run these three one. Okay. Others as well. Do it fast. Okay. What about others? Okay, I'm waiting. No need to worry. Waiting for one more minute. Parth, I shared the formulas with you already in the chat. I hope you all done. Perfect. So just give me a minute, please. Just give me a minute. Fine. So, ma'am, how do you select multiple measure only for only one card? Can you explain that? See, you have to just select the card and add the values normally. Now you can see if I show you the difference, I'm adding a card again and adding those the same columns like sales amount. Okay, first the average unit price, then the quantity, and then the sales amount. And you can see we have 651 count, total sales, because this is the average. We have here the sum. So we can convert the sum of unit price to average and you can cross verify as well. Fine. So these are the basic ones. Similarly, we can calculate the total orders as well, like how many number of orders we have. So for this, we can use the count function. Total orders equals to count of order ID we can here because order ID is the primary key. So through this we can get the count. So in the same card, I am adding the total orders. Fine. So you can see we have 120. Now let's moving to the calculated part. Let's suppose you want to calculate the discounted price Or the profit, if you are putting 20%, 30% profit, then what should be the value? What should be the amount? So for this, what we can do, suppose I want to, so we can write here to calculate the discounted price. So in this discounted price, suppose I want to calculate the discounted price on the unit price column specifically, and if I'm providing the discount which is 10%, then what should be the result? So what we can do, we can sorry, sales. So we can don't write directly. So sum of sales data unit price to 0.1 because we are calculating the 10%. Just commit this. Just a second. Okay, it is not yet closed. Just a second, just a second. Let me, yeah, now it's fine. Yes, now it's fine. So now you can see, now we can add the data table. Just add the unit price by, if you are doing this by the category wise. So it is further categorized in this, and if you want to check the discounted price after putting, then it should be the result this. So just like this, we can calculate the profit as well. Okay. Now let's calculate the profit. So suppose now I want to calculate the profit. If on my sales amount, my profit is 20%, then how much I will get? So what I can do again, sum of, we can see now here we can introduce the reusability concept as well. Like sum of sales amount, sales status amount as well we can write, or we can directly write here total amount as well, total sales as well. The reusability concept, the column which we already used, because we are now calculating the profit. So 0.3%, just commit this, we are calculating the 30% profit on the sales. So total sales and the profit. So this is the total sales and this is the profit. I'm sharing these functions with you, okay? After this, we'll move to the if condition. Sorry, total orders. Run the queries I just shared with you. Check it and run it fast, students. And let me know if you have any doubt in this. In this table, we just added the category because see, for electronics, if this is the total amount of the unit price, then this is the discounted, this is the total sales, and this is the profit after 30%. Okay, Sneha? In the table, I just drag and drop the columns. Run the queries and let me know. Meant only 3 hours till done. What about the others? Just 2 minutes. Kushal, okay, I'm waiting. Don't worry. Just run these first, then we'll proceed it. Ma'am, I cannot select more than one sales. Like how you are not selecting? Can you please give me a brief? Poojan, how? Done. Okay. Kushal, you done? Poojan, it works now? Checkbox. No, you can select. Otherwise, no, just drag and drop like this, okay? Just drag and drop like this. It won't work on simple card, it works with card with. Yes, see, if you are working on the simple card, then you cannot add multiple. You can see here, let me highlight this with a pen. You can see this. This is the card in which you can add multiple. Or you can add, there is one more with the name of multi-row card. In that one as well, you can add multiple cards, okay? Fine. So let's move further. Let's move further, and now we will talk about the if condition. So suppose you want to calculate the order value category. Let's go to the page 3, and here again a new measure. So now suppose I want to calculate the order value category. So we are using here if condition. So now suppose what we are trying to fetch here, if my sales amount is greater than or equals to any value, then it should be the high, and if it is not greater than, then it should be the low. So what's the syntax? First write your logical test. Like here, first write your logic. So the logic is sum of sales data amount is greater than or equals to 10 lakh. Then if it is greater than this, then the result should be, let me first close this, then the result should be high sale, and if the result is false, then it should be low sale. Just commit this. Any doubt in the syntax? Just let me know. In the table, good. In the table, just add we can choose the categories, not categories, the region. Okay, customer name we can select, then their sales amount, and then to verify that they are high sales or the low sale, we can add the order value category. And you can see it is less than 10 lakh, it is low sale. Let me zoom. It is less than 10 lakh, that's why it is low sale. It is also less than 10 lakh, that's why it is low sale. Similarly, instead of these text, we can add the emojis as well. How we can add the emojis? So again, go to new measure, order value category 2. Same we are doing, okay? If logical test is, now here we are again using the reusability concept. So I'm using again the total sales is greater than or equals to 10 lakh, then the result should be high sales or the low sales. Sorry, we are adding here the emojis, so no text. So how we can add the emojis? Just hold your window key, then press the full stop icon. So we can add here this for the low, and for the high, again hold your window key and then press the full stop key, then this emoji. Now commit this, add this one as well here, and you can see wherever the low sales, it is replaced with this emoji. Let me share these two codes with you as well. And the second one, we have this. Run these queries. Any doubt from this? Students, any doubt from this? Run these queries, students. Run the queries. Let me know once you're done with it. Sure, I can add you. I can tell you. What you have to do in the emoji, just hold your key, nothing else. Just hold your window and press the full stop icon. That's it. Okay. You can see here. Okay, let me share this screenshot of the emoji part. Here you can see this part basically window. You have to press. Let me share with you on WhatsApp. It is shared. I hope you received. I just shared. Okay. Okay. What about others? Perfect. Perfect. So now we have the calculate function. Okay. Tell me, what do you mean by calculate function? Whatever you have covered till, what do you understand with calculate function? What do you understand by calculate function? Anyone? Try. It's not like that you should have to give the correct answer. No, just try. Some measure on particular column. Okay. See, calculate function is a kind of filter. Okay. Calculate function is kind of filtered. How? Let's understand this. You see, in this category column, I have furniture. One is furniture. Then I have stationery. I have electronics. So I have these three categories, right? Stationery, furniture, and electronics. Now, suppose I want to calculate the total amount only for this stationery. From this sales amount, from this sales amount, I want to calculate only for stationery from this. So it's a kind of filter, right? Because I want only for category stationery, I want the total sales amount. Is it clear what I'm trying to fetch? Perfect. Right. So now I have to, what I'm doing, simply I'm just putting a filter. So now let's understand how we can do it. Just go back on a new page. Now go to the new measure. So I am calculating for furniture. So for furniture, you can calculate like this the quantity, not only the amount as well. Let's calculate the furniture quantity. So the first function is calculate. Calculate expression. Now first you need to write your expression, then filter. So we are calculating the furniture quantity. So sum of sales data quantity, that's the expression. Now put the filter. So in the sales data from the category I am fetching furniture. Furniture. Close it and commit this. Take the table. Now we can add the customer names, their furniture quantity, and even you can add the complete quantity as well to see the difference. We have total sum of quantity 100. Out of 100, 15 furniture quantity is for Arav, then 17 for Ananya, and 30 for Dia. So this is how we can extract for the furniture specifically, right? Now, similarly, we can calculate the amount as well for the furniture. Okay, furniture amount. So again, the calculate function. Then in the expression, sum of total sales data amount, comma. Now the filter is sales data, sales, sorry, not amount, category. Category equals to furniture. And make sure the spelling should be the same which is in your data set. If it is not, then it shows the blank. So in the same, I'm adding furniture amount and you can see the total amount as well. So this is the total sale from which this is the furniture amount. Similarly, if you want to exclude now I am excluding the furniture quantity from the quantity and I want for the other two categories, that is stationery and the electronics. Now I want to fetch the quantity of stationery and electronics together. Basically, I'm excluding the furniture. So now I exclude furniture. So again, calculate function. So we can sum of quantity, comma, then we can go with the category. Behavior. So now what is the symbol of exclude function? This means that you are excluding, okay? This function, let me highlight. This function means that you are excluding, okay? Okay, let me, so that you can remember. This means exclude. Okay, I'm taking the screenshot of this and I'm sharing with you. I hope you received. Okay, so I hope you remember this and try to not forget. So now eraser. Okay, fine. So now you can write here furniture. Like this, and you can see. And to cross verify, when you can add 85 plus 15, 100. So 90 plus, 17 plus 73 equals to 90. So you can do this. Now let me share these functions with you, and then I have few queries which you need to run from your side. But first execute them. Is it clear, students, or any doubt? Because DEX is something where the students are mostly getting confused. Because here it needs practice. That's why I'm telling you again and again, run the queries. So I just shared with you three queries. Run these three queries, and then I will give you a task. Run these queries, and then I will give you another task. Done. Okay. Please wait for the others as well, so that they can done. Then I will give you at the same time. Okay. Let first complete with others as well. Okay. Ma'am, how did you bring sum of quantity in the table? No, no, no. This is not the sum of quantity. Basically, I dragged the quantity column here directly. And by default, it takes the sum. Okay. I can click here, don't summarize, and you can see only the furniture amount. Okay. It's not like this. So I see many of you are done. Now the task is the like I used the category furniture. I used the category column. Okay. Now your task is use the region column. Calculate the total amount for the north region, specifically for the north region. Calculate the total quantity for the south. Total. What is the total quantity of south region? And the third is exclude west part. I need the total amount of north. Let me write. So the first task for you is what is the quantity of north region. Second is what is the total amount of south region, and the third is exclude west from the total amount. Then what is the okay? These are the three queries. Run these and share your screenshots. Run these queries and share your screenshots. Anyone, any doubt? It's for furniture or sales data. No, it's for the region column I'm specifically talking about. Okay, Poonam? Sorry, Poojan. How many you have done? Anyone? Share the screenshot, students. I'm waiting. Do it fast, students. Share your screenshots with me. Sonu118, North region quantity. Sonu, share the screenshot, please. Because like this, we are unable to share only admins can see. Okay, I'm giving you the access. Just wait a minute. Okay, wait, students. You can share now. You can share now. Nirmal Patel. Very good. Very good, Nirmal. The way you are presenting, it's too good. I received only two screenshots. Okay, Chirag. Okay, good. See, no, wait. Chirag, here you missed something. Don't add the region column here, okay? When you are putting the filters, don't add region column. You can add the customer name, okay? Don't add the region name column here. Clear? I hope Chirag it's clear. Okay, good. Kushal, okay. Quantity of north, total of south, excluding west. Okay. I told you about the amount as well. What about other students? Do I need to wait you all are doing or not? Let me know. Then I will proceed it further. Please write into the chat those who are still doing because I should also know na, that you are doing. I need to wait. Sure, sure, I'm waiting. Okay, okay, Harsh. Just let me know only, okay? Okay, Chirag. Good. Malik, it's also fine. Ashwin. Okay, Ashwin, it's also fine. Ravi Patel, okay. Manas is also, yeah, fine. Very good. Parth, okay, Parth. So, in between those who are doing, students, now what do you feel? Dex is easy to understand or not? Just let me know. What do you think now, Dex, about this? Because now you are simultaneously practice. If you are only listening me, then you will get confused and it will be tough for you to understand. But now what do you think? Because now you are practicing along with me. So it is easy to understand like this, or you want to practice it later as well. So that I like it you can tell me that I can stretch them if you want to practice later, or you want like this is the better way to work simultaneously. Yeah, Shlok, it is just similar to SQL. Yeah, Yuvraj, doing along is easy to understand because you are getting the syntax, you get the syntax very easily. No, 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 Chirag, no nested equations or not, nothing. Like, see, you can create, like, suppose you want to add if and they both together, you can add. It's not like that you cannot create. Very good, Nirmal, very impressive. Okay, I see now many of you done, right? All of you done, right? We can proceed it further. Sure. Now from this data set, we'll create only last function that is the rank function, okay? Fine. So let's move to the rank part. Just go to the new measure. And suppose, see, you all are familiar somewhere with the rank function in SQL, just like this we have here. Suppose I want to calculate this by region wise, like I want to calculate the rank by region wise. So here, rank x function. Now your table name. So before this, we are using here one more function which is known as all. Now, what is this all function is basically used for to remove the filters. We are using all function to remove the filter, whatever any filter if before anyone applied or any kind of filter if it is applied, then we can remove using the all filter. All function returns all the rows in a table or all the values in a column, ignoring any filters that might have been applied. Then our so this is then we are working on the region part. So sales data region. Just close this. Now, what table name is there? Basically, the column name we write. Now, the expression. What is the expression you want? So, I would like to calculate my region rank by quantity wise. So, I can drop here total quantity. Total quantity. Now, order like any specific value you want to put? No. So, I'm leaving this blank and then again comma. In which order you want, ascending or descending? I want this in descending order. Just close the bracket. Now go to the page, this page, add the table, add quantity, quantity, region, and now the quantity rank. We have quantity. reach and rank there. And you can see. Is it clear or any doubt in this, students? Is it clear or any doubt from this? Is it clear or any doubt? Clear, clear. Okay, okay. See, let's take another example of the rank. Okay. Now let's do this with the total amount. Okay. So now suppose you want to get the product of a for product or specific category wise. So now category rank. Same syntax. Rank x using all function if any of the filter which is applied. Now sales data category, just close this. This is the column. Now the amount, total sales, leave the same, space. We don't have any value, just add the descending order, close the parenthesis, commit this. Now add another table, add category, add total sales, add category rank. So the first 87 one is the first, then second 36, and the third is furniture. Let me zoom in. Is it clear, students, or any doubt in the rank function? See, just go there. We are using the rank function to get the ranks. We have used all functions. If any of the filter which is priorly applied on the data table, that should be removed. So to that we use the all function. Then this is the column name, from which column we are putting the rank, by what value. So we have the total sales, and we are not putting a specific value, that's why we leave it blank. Then in which order you want, ascending or descending, like the highest one that considered should be the one if you are choosing the descending order. So this is all about. Let me share these two queries with you, and I'm requesting with you, don't copy and paste. Write the queries by your own. Just don't copy and paste. Otherwise, there is no benefit of this. Okay? Write the query by yourself. Oh, that's the advantage. Then I can say that you cannot copy anything from the Zoom. Just run these queries and even try to create the third query from your side as well. See the data, what else you can fetch, and share your screenshots in the group. Okay? Very good, Nishit. Okay, okay, okay. How many? Anyone who's still left, please let me know. Chirag, I send you another. Okay, okay, Chirag, I checked. Anyone who's still left, do we need to wait or we can proceed it further? Anyone? Okay, Sneha, we are waiting. Please do it fast. So now I will share with you the new data set on which now we need to work. This is all about this specific one. Okay? I hope Sneha it's done. So in between, I'm sharing with you all, Anand ma'am, what we can put after first comma in the rank function. That's the space. Just leave it blank because you are not putting any value. Okay, Uttam? Clear? Perfect. So students, I'm sharing with you another data set. These data set even you can refer for your practice later as well. I just shared with your data and the same data set I am sharing with you on the chat as well. Blank report. I hope you all received. Anyone who's still stuck in the dataset, let me know. Import the data file in another report file, okay? We have four sheets here. Check all and click here load. You can see all the data sets we have here. First import the data, then we will understand what exactly it is. Okay. Everyone, I hope you received the data, right? Let me know, please. Import the data file. Import the file. I'm waiting till 36. 11:36 still. Import the file, please. Imported successfully. Okay. What about others? Okay. Perfect. Fine. Now you can see. Okay. Now you can see in the customers, we don't have the columns properly. Look, first let's understand the table. So in this sheet, we have first the calendar where we have, okay, in the mine it is not imported properly, but maybe in yours it will be. So we have the date, we have the year, we have the month, we have the quarter. In the customers, you can see our headers basically converted into the row one. So we need to modify. Okay. Then in the products, in which we have customer ID, customer name, segment, city. Then we have products where we have the product ID, product name, their categories, their cost price. Then we have the sales data where we have again the order ID, order date, customer ID, product ID, quantity, unit price, discount, region. Is it clear? Yeah, it's the issue. Basically, it is not the issue from the sheet. It is sometimes basically happen when you imported the file from in Power BI. What you can do, you can change the format of the file, basically the extension. And even it is possible many of the students are even not facing it. Or we need to modify the data properly. That we will do later. No worries, okay? So basically we have the sales data. So now we need to fix the headers here. So from these three dots, I can go to my edit query and I can, yeah, it can be solved very easily. So now you have to just, first we are changing the headers label, okay? So now you have to just change your headers, this customer ID, customer name, segment, city. You have to just use first row as headers. Just change this. And then click here, close and apply. Clear? Perfect. Now coming to the date part. For the sales, we have the order date column. If you can see, it is selecting here the whole number. Just change the data type, not the time. We have the only date. Okay. Just change the data type. Similarly, in the calendar, just change the data type. It is also solved. Just click here, refresh now. Okay. Is it clear or any doubt, students, still there? Sure, I can repeat. See, sorry. First, you have to go to the customers table to convert your headers into the to convert your first row into the headers. So for this, you need to just go to the edit query and here use first row as the headers. Use first row as the headers. Okay, and then click here, close and apply. Then, if your date system is not correct, then in the data table, make sure the date in the date column, the data type should be date. Similarly, in the sales, we have the order date column. Here as well, the data type should be date. Is it clear? Is it clear now, students? Take your time. No need to worry. We have enough time to complete this data set as well using the DEX queries. Still have no, Yukti. Just make sure that the system should be audited. That's it. Make sure the data type should be the correct. Okay. Please repeat, ma'am, how to delete in customer row. No. You do not need to delete. Wait. What do you have to do? Go to the customers. Here, three dots. Just go to the edit query. This is the Power Query editor where you are doing the transformation. Okay. Now, make sure, let me step straight. Your looks like this right now, okay? So you are basically converting your first row into the headers. These are the headers. Just click here, use first row as headers. Just go to the close and apply and click here, close and apply. That's it. Is it clear or any doubt in this? Is it clear now, Ravi? Perfect. Now let's move it further. So I hope you are familiar what kind of data we have, what we are trying to fetch, right? All things are clear, right, students? See, whenever you are, it's not like that you can directly move into the advanced level of the text. No, you have to move slowly. Now, in this data set, if you see, we have four different data tables. And if you can see in the relationship model and check that these data tables are connected with each other or not, then you can see these are connected with each other. You can see this table is connected with one to many. This table is also connected. I think, let me fix there. This here and this one here. So you can see these tables are basically connected with each other, right? Clear? Just coming back. Just go to the model view, okay? Shift, just go to the model view. Now, starting with the very basic part, just calculate the total revenue. What is the total revenue which we are getting? So, for the total revenue, what we have to do? We have in the sales, we have the total price. Like you can see, yeah, we have here the unit price and we have the quantity. If I'm multiplying quantity to the unit price, I will get the sum, right? So now we are moving a little bit up. We are not just using the simple sum function. Total revenue. Now we are using the sumx function. Basically, why we are using sumx function? What's the difference between both of them? It returns all the value in the table. It first check the first value. If it is added, then it will move to the other one. Then so on. It basically vice versa it works in. So now the table. So our table name is sales. What is the expression? Sales quantity into sales unit price. Just commit this. So you can see this calculated column added into the calendar. So I can change the home table from there to sales. And you can see it's changed, right? Now we can add a card and we can add unit price. You can check manually as well. We have quantity and this is the total revenue which we have. Clear or any doubt? Is it clear or any doubt? Perfect. Now moving to the discount. You want to fetch the discount. New measure, total discount. So now how we can get the discount? Same, we are using the same. Just multiply your quantity into the unit price and multiply this with the discount and you will get the discount because we have the discount column. So sum x. Now the table name. So we can add here sales, comma, sales unit price, multiply sales quantity, multiply sales discount. Just commit this. And you can see we will get the discount directly from there as well. And we can get this total discount from there as well. So we have this is the total discount. And this is we have for a single one. Clear or any doubt? Now, if you want, now we have the total discount and we have the total revenue. Now, if you want to get the total, what is the net sale after discount and everything? What is the net sale? So, net sale equals to, yeah. So, net sale equals to total revenue minus our total discount. So, we are using again here the reusability concept. So, in the same, add the net sale. And here we have the net sale as well. We have this is the net sale. After minusing, we have this is the total revenue, mass minus this, we have this is the net sale. Let me share the formulas with you. I shared with you all the three. Run these queries, please, first. Yeah, all of you done? So, okay then, students, we will continue now from the next second half onwards. Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Perfect. I hope now Dex is quite easy for you. It's not like something which is difficult to understand because you are practicing, so it will be easy. Perfect. So let's connect in the second half. Thank you, students. How to bring the total revenue measure to sales? Just convert this. Name home table. You can select directly from there whatever the home table you want to select. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Let's connect at 1. Be ready. Bye.